already done here for us. So I have the soybean beans. I have my chopped sorry about that. My chopped beets. I have the leeks finely chopped, because you know those are pretty rough. I have the leeks finely chopped. I don't know. I have my cabbage already here, ready. And the carrots I kept in the water. I don't know if that's correct or not. And I think that I will probably I will have add the other to this. Okay, so we have all our ingredients here except for the avocado that I purchased today, which seemed to be extremely hard. You like the hard avocado? I don't. It seemed to be really hard, but I'm going to add it anyway. I tried to roll it like a lemon. I don't know if you should do that or not, but I did it. And this is so hard. Yeah, it's not quite ready. It's not ready at all. I can't even get it to separate. Let's see, try not to cut my hand. Yeah, this is not ready. Y'all, this is how do you get an avocado apart that do not want to come apart. So you can see how that look. I'm just gonna try to see if I can get the rest of it off here. Man, I don't like buying avocados in the bag, but it's just a lot cheaper when you go to places like that. This is so hard. Totally disappointed in that. Look at that. This is going to be very chunky, not smooth at all. Don't like this. Let me taste it. No, I can't even eat it. It's too hard. Well, that was a waste. Okay, we do have failures. And I had one that was completely soft, and I used it this morning in my juice. So let's pretend like we have avocado in here. So this is what we're going to do. We got the black rice ready. I got that ready, and this is what it looked like once it's ready. So we're going to take some of this. This is just a light salad, and put it in there. I don't know if that bowl is showing off everything. Is the rice. Don't have the avocado. Oh, I forgot to make the dressing. I'm moving so fast. I gotta stop moving so fast. Okay. He had it more on the plate, but it is pretty. And I used all my, and this was all the corn I had. I went to Target to get corn and completely forgot the corn. Okay. That's really sad. I got everything else except for the corn. Okay, you see how lovely that looked. That looks good. Then we need the cabbage here. Put that in there. And this will keep me full for the whole, alright, you put in your beets. I guess I'll put my beets between here. I wish I had the avocado. Okay, put in my beets. Okay, so that is what this looked like. Then, oh, I forgot the carrots. I need to make sure I get the carrots in there. So this is really a close to, this is a really fresh, crunchy salad. Pokey salad. Like I said, I had it before. Okay. There we go. Now we have that, which I should have did last. Together, let's put the sauce together. So in the sauce, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, and I will just okay, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice there. And everything, all the ingredients are 1 tablespoon and I have 1.5 tablespoon. So the next thing is 1 tablespoon of, I think this is the syrup. Nope, that's not the syrup. Uh-oh, what did I do with my maple syrup here? Oh, you know what? Hold on, you guys, because I actually forgot. I sure hate to put in that fake. I'm going to put in honey instead of maple syrup. So I'm going to put in, oh, that's not going to be right. 1 tablespoon of honey, because I just don't have, I have the Long John's, which is not real syrup. Or should I put it in? Oh my goodness. I did look at the maple syrup and I thought, well, you know what? I have 1 little small package left. Oh, I really hate to put that fake syrup in, but I guess you should have that flavor. So let me grab it. Hold on, you guys. I tried to be very organized. Okay, I'm going to do the fake syrup. I'm not liking that, but I could have just put honey, but let's see how that tastes with the fake syrup, because that syrup is like $11 and it wasn't a good brand. It was Target brand, and I know how that brand tastes, and I have tasted, it's just not that good. Just like Walgreens, their maple syrup, oh, you want to throw up. Okay, so let me get back to what I was saying. So I put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of syrup, 1 tablespoon of miso paste. This is the miso paste. Here. Oh, okay, that's really pasty. That's 1 tablespoon of miso paste. I need to okay, and then we'll put in 1 tablespoon of this gochujang, which is basically hot pepper paste. I don't like hot stuff, so that worried me, but I'm going to do as said, the only, okay, 1 tablespoon of the hot paste. Okay, got that in there. That was messy, wasn't it? That was a mess. I'm definitely not going to put my mouth on it. You know how you do your fingers and go, ah. You know, that's not supposed to happen. Not looking forward to burning my mouth. And then once I do that, there's 1 tablespoon of, I feel like I'm missing something. 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I got the low sodium. That's not, yeah, 1 teaspoon of this. Okay, and we put in 1.5, oh shoot, that's soy sauce, that's a half, sorry, where's my 1 here? Almost messed it up, y'all. Okay, 1.5 of soy sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Okay, there we go. This is our mixture here, and I'm going to mix this up with this whisk that I use on my blender. Hold on, I'm putting something in the refrigerator. I don't want that to this paste and stuff to go bad on me. sit out and melt or something because of the lights. And so I hope you guys are doing good. Yes, I'm changing the subject for a minute. Okay, so we whisk this up. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, trying to eat as good as you can, for as not so much synthetic. Now when I looked at his didn't look as thick as mine. It actually looked darker. So I was looking at a bottle of pokey sauce that I had in the refrigerator, and I didn't like it because they have garlic. Not that much, it's at the bottom of the ingredients. So I'm adding a little bit of paprika. I think that might be something that he added. I feel bad because I don't have the avocado in it. Now that is your sauce. And what do we do at this point? I'm going to add some water here just in case it was too thick. At this point, we will cut up, add a lime to this. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now let's just get our little bowl here together. Clean up our mess as much as I can. This is our bowl. And that's what it looked like. It looked delicious, you guys. And this sauce is supposed to go for 2. We'll pour this over it. I'm tempted to put my fingers in that to see. No, I won't do it. I won't do it. I wiped it on a napkin. You guys don't want to hear me scream. And I'll put some of my leeks on it. Wish I had the avocado. I know that is really will set it off. So let's see how this tastes, you guys. Oh, the beet juice is everywhere. I'm telling you. Hold on. Okay. So this is what it looked like. Don't that look delicious? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to take some of the rice, some of the beets, a little, as much as I can of everything. I don't know about that. Let's see. And a little bit of, can I give me a corn? Okay, so this is how it looked. Oh, that's good. Oh, you guys, this is good. This is really good. Everything tastes so good. Me personally, I need more sauce. But besides that, whoops. Yeah, don't look good. Well, this tastes really good. I would say use the low sodium sauce. It's not hot at all. At all. It just has a little bit of I don't know, it's good. Okay, let me just get my mouth together. Oh, I forgot the lime. What I did with it, you guys. No. Got the lime. This is good. Let me try it with the lime. I won't put all the other stuff in it. I don't know, the lime did something like it made it taste sweet. That's good. Again, go and check his channel out. Excellent, excellent chef. I'm gonna get his book. Excuse me. So you guys, until next time, try to eat as healthy as you can, at least one time out of the month. Give your belly a break, and then go back to do whatever you do. Just take care of that belly so it can take care of you. Until next time, deliberate cooking. Bye-bye.